Lengba ka jingerap ka skill megalia ban ai jing hikai training hakarep karyang bat haka fashion designer. Kamauklot Farmer Producer Company Limited MFPC bat ka DP Fashion Society haka khatlai tarik leber kala penlong ya ka jing sam certificate Fields of Gold haki shispa kandai pu prangut ki samla ki bala pendep iki training haka fashion designer bat ka rep karyang haka jingelang ka bala long ha phalau jong ususotham auditorium. Habai kran bat uba Jona Karir, Director Mauklot Farmer Producer Company Limited, ulaong, lengba kani ka certificate, ki kena ki bala pendep ya ka training, kilat kilenti yok kam yok jam, bat pan sedang ya laki jongki kam, kila play haka jing em jongki. Kini kisamla kila aban apply kam haka jela, hakari bat wat shabar kariru. Kat ba ka kong DP, ka founder jong ka Fashion Designer Academy Shillong, kalaya thu haba ka wanra ya ka program ban sam ya ki certificate rengkat ka MFPC, kare ka jinga trelang bat ka society na waken, ka ba penmi eki jan, bala itu da ka agriculture bat ka textile.
To be here today, in fact, it was with great pride and joy that we are gathered here today to celebrate the success of the participants who have completed their courses under the Skills Meghalaya initiative, a truly unique and an important milestone in their journey towards the personal and professional growth. Skills Meghalaya has been an intensive program. It is a transformative program. It is designed to equip the individuals with the skills and knowledge necessary to thrive in today's fast-paced world. Whether you're skilled in technology, hospitality, agriculture, or any other domain, you gain a lot of tools and important life skills which provides new opportunities in your careers. As you receive your certifications today, this is not just a piece of paper, but is a very important testament to your perseverance and your commitment in bettering yourselves. This is a symbol of your readiness to contribute towards the growth and the development of our beautiful state, Meghalaya. The world is moving very rapidly, and with it are many challenges that as individuals we face. Skilling definitely helps in facing these unique challenges, which then become opportunities. And I therefore credit each and every one of you for your thorough participation and also for having completed the certification program. I encourage you to continue to have this urge to learn, to adapt, and to pursue your goals with passion and dedication. A big congratulations to all the graduates. A big thank you to all the trainees, the trainers, the mentors, and everyone involved in making this journey a success, to the bright future and to the positive results that this initiative holds. I'm happy to state that there is a bright and positive future for each and every one of you. I truly believe with your dedication and sincerity that you will be able to reach new heights. A case in point, an example is this, which I was facilitated.
Kanika Fields of Gold, kanika team jong kanika ski bomtasngi ba kanika certificate day program. Ya kini kikna gibangila eye training gibangi yo jingerap lingba ka MSSDS Skills Meghalaya. Bangila yo ban train kini kikna HBD bat karep karyang berkunjulu HBD bat ka fashion designing. Te ke train ni karep karyang gidi ke Mauklot Farmer Producer Company Limited. But HBD bat ka fashion designing ki day na kalyang juga Davies Fashion Society. Te kini kikna kila adab ya kani ka intensive training ke joki. Te mentak ski bat ka day ka very most important day ke joki ba ki yo ya ka certificate ke joki. Te lingba kan ke certificate kila la pan apply kam keleng entah ka jela ka jongi hendrai shabaro ka jo. Te lingba kan ngi kerman scam ba kini ki nong yo certificate ki kena ke jongi ki ba yo kini ki certificate kinang ya le bhai ki kam ki jam but ka ju ko poru kal ade ka la ki ba ni ka employment opportunity bagi ai la ki bagi tang makin so hendrai kila la ban kai ru da dai ki ha kishno thau ane bagi la play training center ki chuma jo te kita hi ke sandu balai ni penuan ke team kalau mereka di fields of gold kepada ke certification game program. Naki nakalian jom ki nongrap ki bayo ya kani ke training ki dai kendai po armor but habede pat ke fashion designing ki don adu sandu flow.
Kini kita berapa department?
Kene kani babi sana po pamilya skills state skill fashion society but ngi dai ki panel training providers ngi ai ji kai yekini ki kena da ki ba kimdon kapsiu stikaru bakal apa lu ke sorkana. Habis makanya kedon kebetulan bagi orang bagi grade yang kini ke financial linkage but ke non financial linkage. Jadi kini ke financial linkage ni link bagi government departments dan ni link bagi kedua agencies. Kiba I ram let's say nuksang lah bagi banks. Kini ki habis bagi nongrap kedon kini ke KCC loan. Jadi kedon kini ke rural bank, kedon kini ke bank SBIC bank I loan nama kita nongrap. Di entang kan habis dia begini juru kini ki bapak bersengkap bende berkesu an kini ru gila ban kan link kan ke financial linkage ni link ki ni ki ba gila ada trade ni link kini ke certificates but dai tang pagila ai kini ke certificates bagila trade ha juga poru ni hab kadon ka benta bagi orang ka follow up dingi follow up ki snap di kene ke follow up kolong ba kadon kajingnya sekolah kajungi batka MSSDS skills meglaya bangi day ba kini ban yo bi kakam da kila ada bi kini training kata ka di pokok sandu ti habide pat ka non financial linkage pat ke ne nuksa kum ki sembai lane ki sembai bakin rap lane ki sport lane kino tik link ba kini ki different government departments lane link ba ka ICR lane ki agencies di pelila peliti ki bagi yo kini ki sembai kini ki sembai bagi kuat bendri ki seniak ki sial di kita ini kita bilang ai kadai ka bentuk lang apa financial bagi non financial
Haka hang ni Fashion Academy ngidon kan ka 3 months course kapala sponsor daka skill Meghalaya di ngidon ru kumchu yaki kanika 1 year course and also ke diploma course kanika deka paid course tang baka curriculum jang kani pat nila penyahap kat ka industrial standard and also na benta kini ki student ki baku aban seng ka kamna jong mon ila adon ki entrepreneurship program finance literacy and so much more di taka daw ki dan ki students ki baku alit ki bamla papli ki bawan ka long ye banduk nila kala adon kan ka 3 months course na benta jong ki dan pat ki baku akham pentebit shushu ya lade kadang kan ka 1 year baka diploma course ki kabang aku bahai ki samla khasi juni khamtam ki bapas na ka institute juma namar banga nga focus hawan haga innovation sustainability and entrepreneurship ngaku bahai ki dik bada ki seng ki kam kin seng ki small scale industries na benta bangin extend ya kanika production hapoka state make jengi when it comes to apparel and textiles ti kan yarap bahai ya ka state jengi and kan yarap bahai ban employ ru ya kiwe ki prio di kata kade babang aku abhai ki student jonga tingal ai ru kajing yarap na liang jonga kumno bakin sengi ki manufacturing unit la jong tamba majority na ki students jingi pakiri ki ba sengi ki boutique la jong la ne ki sedang na yang kata ru kabyang na marpa sedang don kam hit ko work experience they in the future part kaba aku an students jonga kade bikin sengi ki small scale industries na marpa ka stage jungir ki bun ha ki jing yarap na benta especially ki women entrepreneurs
Course
ki bawan menta ki de bapendap ya kanika 1 year fashion designing course and ya ka 3 months fashion designing course
Kaketeng jonga kamai lang susyang ngadai ko mi project manager jong ko plot pharma producer company ten office jungi kedai hapok mau plot te ya ka program ka bangi bangi penlong menta kasni kedai nak benta bangin ai ki certificate ya ki kena training jungi ki ba la achieve ya ka training khandai phangmut jong ka integrated farming system kaba bay pisa lane kaba kashan da ka Meghalaya State Skill Development Society lengba ka skill Meghalaya ti yegi ni training jongi ni don light center ka way ka center ni don hapo light mensang kaba day hapo mau kon rew sin har diblong bat kawai kesentan ngidon hapo like kerhong hapo jong kemau konreu CNR di blok bat kawai kesentan ngidon like mensau kata kadai hapo melim CNR di blok te menta kesni ni ai ki sertifikat jongki berok kandai puengut bat hagzu ko poru kamut ba ni ai ya ka achievement jongki kabakila deple hadin katrini tang kita hi disebut